Color the children's clothes blue. What's the rule?
When working with students receiving special education services, it's important to feel well-equipped to coordinate and encourage a vast support system that will enhance the student's educational progress. Providing these services can sometimes be challenging. Often, even teachers who are prepared to work with students with disabilities have little background working with their families and collaborating with other education professionals. This course will work to provide teachers with resources and knowledge about the services that exist, the way that families can assist, and how the synthesis of these things can create the most effective program accessible to all students.
Collaboration, Families, and Case Management is the third course in the 5-course sequence leading to the special education credential in mild-moderate disabilities.
This course focuses on 3 interrelated areas that will prepare teachers to handle the many roles they will need to fill. Collaboration, working with the child's family and support services to discover the best approach in implementing the curricula. Families, going beyond the role mandated by legislation to an understanding of family dynamics balanced with the family's chosen level of involvement. And case management, serving as an effective team member, developing appropriate goals, and becoming program coordinators for the children.
The importance of working with families is that they have a tremendous impact on their kid and the way the student progresses through their education. The family knows the child better than anyone else. Occupational physical therapists, social workers, school psychologists, and so on. These people are important to help the special ed teacher coordinate effective programs that meet all of the needs of the students. And because of the complexities of many of the disabilities, it really would be a very daunting task to have one person have all of that knowledge. In fact, I think it would be impossible.
All 3 of the course areas are connected and necessary for successful teaching. Only when teachers, support staff, and families work together and communicate can the collaboration foster the best learning environment.
This course is intended to prepare teachers to understand family dynamics, to understand the role those families play in their child's education, and then bring them into, if not physically into the classroom, but bring them into the educational process so that they are working more as a team as opposed to working separately together.
The goals of this class will be developed through peer collaboration, demonstration, a case study, and a community map to understand the local services offered.
Our graduates can become change agents in many of the schools because they know about families, they understand family systems, and they have a predetermined notion about the value of collaborating with others.